Hello, this is Crypto CJ. Welcome to today's trade of the day. Today, I'm going to talk about how you can cash in on bad news in the market using the Binance down coins and the FTX bear coins. I've talked about this kind of thing before, but there was a news item I pounced on yesterday, and I made 13% profit in the trade. So let's go to the news item. So this has been in the crypto news for the past month or so regarding XRP, which was, a top 5 volume coin in the crypto space. XRP is facilitating the airdrop of the new coin Spark, a new token that is. I don't know a whole lot about it, but I know the price of XRP has doubled since late November. Then it's been kind of volatile since then. And then the airdrop was to happen last night. And XRP started moving up quite a bit in the afternoon. You can see here on the hour chart from the early morning, it's gone up quite a bit to where I started looking at it. It's up over 10% in the early afternoon. And this is where it's helpful to have multiple streams of information. I belong to 4 crypto groups, Crypto Trade Masters, iCoin Pro, Token Metrics, and Crypt Nation. I received a message in the Crypto Masters group from my friend Lori, who let us know that XRP was pumping, and that was in this range. And this was just too volatile for me to trade. I wasn't sure how the news was going to affect the coin going up, but I knew it was going to come down probably before the Spark token was actually released to XRP holders. So I knew that this was a perfect opportunity to buy XRP down. This was discussed again during the Crypt Nation group Friday afternoon call. And so let's go to the XRP down chart. So this is the 5-minute XRP down chart, and it's already come down. It's gone up. Remember, this chart moves inversely to XRP, the base coin. So if XRP goes up, XRP down goes down, and vice versa. So I'm thinking the XRP down coin is going to go up probably 10 to 15%. It also moves 2 to 3 times more than the actual movement of the underlying coin. So, if XRP goes up 2%, XRP down goes up 5 to 6%, and vice versa. If had I bought this coin and XRP went up, then I would have been to the negative 2 to 3% per movement. So, anyway, I actually buy this coin on Binance. And I get a really nice entry point right here at the bottom of the dip, and then it just goes up sideways and spikes up nicely. I'm in at this 2.5 or 0.256 at 3:15 p.m. and I'm out about an hour later at 0.290 with 13.168%. I really didn't do much analysis of this. I took a quick look at some resistance from earlier in the day, this 2.8 to 2.9 range. So I just put it kind of in between there at 0.290. Again, since I was on another Zoom meeting, I wasn't really able to do much analysis, but I didn't really have to. With news items, sometimes analysis isn't necessary. It's always good to do it if you have time and the ability, just as a sort of a backup to the information that you're receiving. So again, this was a really nice trade, and I received information from multiple sources to confirm it. It's just so helpful to have other traders to talk about and share information and cryptos that we're picking and watching and profiting and sometimes losing in. So just a short message here on the weekend. That's all I have. Please stay tuned for some additional messages and check out the other tools and resources I have, including some of those I just listed in the comments below. Have a great weekend. I'll talk to you next week. Bye.